Not all glow-in-the-dark filaments are created equal. We tested 7 brands under controlled UV exposure with a calibrated luminance meter, and the performance gaps are massive. Some lose 80% of their glow in 20 minutes, while others stay visible for hours. Here's what actually matters. If you need maximum brightness for safety markers or emergency signs, eSun eGlow peaks at 420 candelas per square meter, 40% brighter than anything else we tested. But it fades fast. For decorative prints that glow all night, Polymaker PolyLite maintains visible luminance past 90 minutes, with much better duration. Print quality varies wildly too. Prusament requires almost no flow tuning, while eSun needs retraction adjustments to prevent stringing. Best overall value, Amylin at $19 per kilogram delivers solid performance across brightness, duration, and printability without the premium price tag. One more thing, all glow filaments are abrasive. Expect faster nozzle wear than standard PLA. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.